how to hide apps on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or lock apps on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So you can hide apps either from your home screen or from the app library here. All we need to do is find the app we want to hide, simply long press on the app, and when the menu appears, select require passcode or require face ID, whichever you have set up. Once you select that, you can choose between just requiring passcode or face ID, or hide and require passcode or face ID. So that's what I'm going to do. You'll need to go ahead and unlock your phone using Face ID or your passcode. And once you do that, it'll give you some information about what that means. So read through this. You won't get any notifications, and it's going to hide the app in the list of apps on your phone. So select Hide App. You'll see it disappear from your home screen, and now you can access it by going to your app library and then scroll all the way down. You'll see Hidden, and when you select it, you'll need to unlock that area, and then you can open up any apps that are hidden. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.